Hello, this is a Harmony training on the cost of a support plan word merge. It's an introduction and step-by-step instruction from Senior and Disability Services, a division of Department of Health. So this quick training is going to cover what is the cost of a support plan word merge? How is it changing from what it used to be? And why is it changing? Then we'll walk through where this word merge is located in Harmony. So what is a cost of a support plan? It's frequently called an overview because it's an overview of home and community-based waiver services during a support plan year. It's an estimate of the units and costs of the service that a program participant can expect. How is it changing? Well, this document is no longer going to be a plan report in the Harmony data system. Instead, it will be a word merge that the state will make and attach as a final with the final approved plan. However, it's optional for care coordinators to run the word merge as a planning tool and work with providers. Why is it changing? Moving the overview or the cost of support plan to a word merge will make it easier to update the information so that SDS can be responsive to rate changes. It will also remove the need for care coordinators to enter multiple plan services for a rate change. Where is the cost of support plan located in Harmony? The quick file path is through the consumer's record within the support plan related to the cost of support plan within the plan information tab under the word merge menu. Let's go into Harmony and take a look at where this is located. I'm in a test consumer within their consumer record, and I'm navigating to the plans tab where I have a draft plan already in place. I've already put in the plan services that we're going to be requesting. And they're located here in plan services. The cost of support plan is built off of the plan services entered. If you have not entered the plan service and it does not show up on the cost of support plan, it means that you have not requested that specific service. So where can I pull that word merge? We're going to move to the Plan Information tab. From Plan Information, we're going to go up to the Word menu in the far left corner, and we're going to select the link of either Cost of Support Plan or Cost of the ISW Support Plan. This opens a new window, and you can see it automatically downloaded it into a Word template. It's okay to use the Word for planning purposes. You can also print to PDF by going up to the top right-hand corner of the preview window and print to PDF by selecting that Microsoft Print to PDF selection and hitting print. You'd save it to your desktop, and the final outcome is that you'll see a landscape document with all of the plan services listed. You can reorient it if you need to look at it. And look at your plan services. Remember that this is a planning tool for teams. It's not required for signature to request the support plan, but it will be attached on the final approved support plan. This changes so that if there are any adjustments to the services during the review process, that they're accurately captured and then circulated to the planning teams. If you have questions about the estimated rates, you can always select the link to go to the rates page and see what the current rates are for reimbursement. If rates change during the course of a planned service, over the course of a plan year, it's not necessary to rerun this report because again, it's a cost estimate. So final thoughts to remember. If you have questions, please reach out to either SDS training at alaska.gov or care coordination support at alaska.gov. Thank you.